Welcome to the payoff lesson of Series 5. Today we solved the learner trap, the 2 ways to say because. You already know 아서 from lesson 3, but now it's time to meet its rival, 으니까. They both mean because, but using the wrong one can sound very strange to a native ear. We'll master the construction rule for 니까, and then look at the 3 major contrasts that will help you choose the right because every time. First, let's build it. Like the future tense we learned in Series 4, 으니까 uses a vowel-consonant split. This makes it a bit more complex to build than 아서. If your verb stem ends in a vowel, simply add 니까. 가다 becomes 가니까. If it ends in a consonant, add 으니까. 먹다 becomes 먹으니까. 비싸다 becomes 비싸니까. 없다 becomes 없으니까. And 좋다 becomes 좋으니까. It's a rhythmic, steady construction. Contrast number 1 is the most important. Commands and suggestions. 으니까 can lead into an order or a let's do, but 아서 cannot. You cannot say 없어서 for a suggestion. It must be 시간이 없으니까 빨리 가요. Since there's no time, let's hurry. The same goes for orders. Because it's expensive, don't buy it. 비싸니까 사지 마세요. 니까 handles the reasoning behind your request. Contrast number 2 is tense. Remember how 아서 stays plain? Well, 으니까 is much more flexible. It allows the past tense right on the first clause. You can say 어제 비가 왔으니까, since it rained yesterday. 왔으니까 has the past tense built right in, which 아서 just can't do. Finally, there's the nuance. 아서 feels like a natural, objective result, but 으니까 feels like the speaker's personal reasoning or justification. Think of 아서 as A happened, so B followed. Think of 니까 as since my reason is A, do B. It's the difference between a result and a rationale. But wait, there's a classic trap you must avoid. For greetings, thanks, and apologies, we always use 아서. Even though they sound like reasons, 니까 is hard-coded as wrong here. Never say 만나니까 or 늦으니까. It sounds very strange to a native speaker. Stick to 만나서 반가워요 and 늦어서 죄송해요. Here is your quick test. Is the second part a command? Use 니까. Is it a thank you or a sorry? Use 아서. If both are no, either might work. Mastering the split between these two is a huge milestone in your Korean journey. It's what makes your speech sound nuanced and truly natural. To recap, 니까 for commands and rationale, 아서 for results and apologies. Keep the tense on the end for 아서, but you can move it up for 니까. Now that you've mastered the pieces, it's time to put them together. Join me in our final lesson where we chain everything into long, natural, flowing sentences. See you there!